Your brain has no lymph nodes, no lymph vessels. For decades, doctors assumed it had no drainage system at all, which raised an uncomfortable question. Where does all the waste go? Your brain cleans itself every night, but only if you sleep like this. In 2012, a team led by neuroscientist Nedergaard found something no one expected. A hidden network of channels running through the brain, built almost entirely out of glial cells, the brain's support cells. They named it the glymphatic system. Part glial, part lymphatic. Here's the challenge the brain faces that no other organ does. It sits inside a sealed bone case, the skull. Metabolic waste, damaged proteins, cellular debris, all of it builds up during the day, with nowhere obvious to go. During the day, while you're awake and thinking, those glymphatic channels stay narrow. Cerebrospinal fluid barely moves through the tissue. Waste products, including a protein called amyloid beta, quietly accumulate between brain cells. Then you fall into deep, slow-wave sleep, and everything changes. In animal studies, the space between brain cells has been shown to expand significantly, loosening the entire tissue structure, like a sponge opening up to be rinsed. Cerebrospinal fluid moves into that newly opened space, flowing along the outside of blood vessels, sweeping through the tissue and carrying waste. Amyloid beta, tau proteins, inflammatory molecules, out of the brain, down into the body's regular lymphatic system to be cleared. For years, this was only shown in mice, but more recent studies in humans have found a similar pattern. Sleep deprivation appears to slow this clearance process, while a full night of proper sleep speeds it up. A few things are known to work against this system. Alcohol suppresses the deep, slow-wave sleep the glymphatic system depends on most. Fragmented sleep, like the kind caused by sleep apnea, never lets the tissue fully relax. And as we age, the lymphatic vessels draining fluid out of the brain through the neck naturally stiffen. So even when the brain does its part, the drain at the bottom can back up. One detail stands out from the research. Some studies suggest side sleeping, compared to sleeping on your back or stomach, may improve glymphatic drainage. It's a small adjustment with plausible backing, not a proven miracle fix, but a low-cost one worth knowing about. One caveat for fairness. Whether amyloid beta is truly the primary cause of Alzheimer's is still debated among researchers. Some have pushed back hard on that assumption. But you don't need that debate settled to benefit here. The evidence that sleep drives brain waste clearance and that poor sleep impairs it stands on its own. Your brain is quietly building a case for why sleep isn't optional. Tonight, it's not just resting, it's cleaning house.